Welcome, everyone, to a timeless tale of wisdom and life lessons. In this charming story of an old man and a young boy working together on a farmhouse, we embark on a journey that reveals the pitfalls of trying to please everyone around us. This story is very important that can improve your life a lot. There was an old man and a boy who worked in a farmhouse. The owner of the farmhouse told them to go to the town and buy some food grain for the animals with the help of a donkey. They started going to the town. The boy rode on the donkey, while the old man walked alongside. As they were going, a man who was known to both the boy and the old man told them, "See, the old man was walking and the young boy was riding comfortably. It's a shame." The boy and the old man thought he was correct, so they decided to change the positions. Now the old man was riding and the boy was walking alongside. Then they saw a lady, who scolded the old man. "Don't you have some sense? You made the boy walk and you were enjoying the ride on the donkey." Hearing this, both of them decided that we should both walk. Soon they passed a shop and stopped there to drink some water. The shop owner told, "You are stupid or what? You have a donkey to ride, but still you both are walking." Then they decided both should ride on the donkey. After some time, they saw a group of people who were passing by, scolding them. "You both don't have any sympathy. You are putting so much load on the poor donkey." The man and the boy got down and started discussing. After some time, they decided to carry the donkey. Both of them carried the donkey on the shoulder and started walking. They were struggling as the donkey was heavy to carry. Then they came near a small bridge over a river. As they crossed, both of them lose their grip on the donkey, and it fell into the river and drowned. Seeing the donkey drowned, people started abusing the old man and the boy. Similarly, in your life, you will come across many situations or people where you are forced to please them. If you do, so then you have to face the consequences. Remember, you cannot please everyone or every situation. Just give importance to the purpose and what is really required for that situation and stick to that. You do not have to change yourself to appease anyone. You are perfectly worthy as you are. One of the hardest lessons to learn is that no matter how good a person you are, no matter how much you try to understand others, be empathetic, or reach out to help, some people just will not like you ever. So, let today be the turning point where you stop living for the applause of others and start living for the fulfillment of your purpose. Thank you for watching and keep rising.